Hey guys, it's Clay here from Ramp Decals and welcome to another video. On this video, we are going to wrap my tinny. Let's go.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Okay guys, as we can see in the background here, we've got the wrap on the boat. Here it is. So what I'll do now is I'm happy with the alignment. We've got plenty on the bottom, plenty on the top. There's about 20 mil there. Just want to make sure that you got ample. We've got heaps on the nose, like the nose is back here somewhere. So yeah, we've got heaps up here. Because the wrap will want to walk a little bit as you're applying it. Yeah, so I'm going to cut the video here and we'll go to a time lapse and yeah, let's get this thing on. There you go guys, the wrap is now done. Hope you really enjoyed the video. It definitely makes a big difference to the boat. That's up close, that's the finish. All along. So yeah, just remember, you know, especially with those big ridges, yes, it does take a fair bit of time to get it in there, but the less heat that you use with any wrap media, the less heat, the less chance of it popping. you know, obviously with the grooves and the recesses and whatnot, you do need to take that memory out of the film. So by using a bit of heat, especially post heating now, which is what I'll do right now, go over it, heat it up to 90 degrees, and yeah, you'll guarantee the glue and the memory will disappear. Change the memory to the boat shape, and yeah, your boat's gonna be wrapped for a long time. Just keep it out of the mangroves and hitting docks and stuff, because yeah, the cast laminate will tear if you knock it and whatnot. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. Pretty stoked.